What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel again, and today we're talking about WhatsApp. Yes, a whole lot of people have been asking me, yo Ralph, how you dey get your views for WhatsApp? There's no special hack I use, it's just me knowing what to do at what time to post and all that. So yes, this is what I have for you today. If you are seeing me here for the first time, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, thank you very much. And I'm going to share with you a few tricks or a few things I do which enables me to get the views, the number of views I want on my WhatsApp stats. And yes, let's get into the video. So the very first thing you need to do if you want to increase views on your WhatsApp status day in, day out is to meet new friends. Make sure you make new friends day in, day out, because imagine if you meet one person today, you share contacts with the person. Technically, both of you start watching each other's status or whatever you post. And yes, just a person. And imagine meeting 20 people every day. So if you meet 20 people today, you share contacts, you do everything. The following day you meet another 20, 40. The following day you meet another 20, 60. So technically your number of contacts will be increasing, and once your number of contacts starts increasing, automatically you get people watching your stats every day, each and every day, depending on what you post. Yes, and what you post is the next point. You need to be posting funny videos and memes. Yes, there are a whole lot of memes trending on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Almost every social media platform. So you just need to get one or two memes and be posting them. Everyone has a reason for watching somebody's stats, and I'm sure the number one thing we all look out for is laughter. So once you post a funny video, or once you keep posting funny stuff, you get people glued to your WhatsApp status. At least someone can boldly say, yo Charlie, I want laughs more, make I go watch this guy in stats, or this guy they post more funny memes, so make I go watch in stats. Yes, and that is the number one thing almost all of us look out for when watching people's stats. You know, people post day in, day out, people post different stuff, cooking, makeup, gospels, a whole lot of stuff. But the number one thing we always look out for is the funny things, the funny videos, the funny memes. Yes, so at least you need to post like one or two funny memes or videos. And trust me, you have someone or some people, a group of people glued to your WhatsApp stats. Yes, so the next point is to be checking up on people often, more often. You know, just because somebody posts today and the person posts tomorrow and you see the person posting doesn't mean the person might be okay, or doesn't mean the person is living an okay life. There might be something wrong, and until you ask, you won't find out. So you can't just be watching somebody's stats or expect somebody to watch your stats when there is no connection. People mute people day in, day out just because the person won't text you, the person won't call you, but the person will be expecting you to watch whatever they post, and it sucks. Yes, so you need to be checking on these people. It won't do you any harm if you wake up one morning and you WhatsApp a random person, yo Charlie, how are you doing? How is everything going? For all you might know, the person needs that one person to talk to be able to solve his or her problem. So once you keep checking up on people from time to time, not regularly, but at least once a while, you check up on somebody, you check up on whoever watches your stats, and find out how the person is okay or not. And then I'm sure when the person sees you post something, they'll be like, oh yo, this guy checked up on me, let me check what he has posted, or let me see what he has posted. And yeah, that's the second point. Moving on to the next point, you know, you need to keep your post on top. Always, all the time. And when I say you need to keep your post on top, I mean, let's take this scenario. I wake up in the morning, I post at 7 a.m. Maybe I want to post 2 videos a day, and I post all the 2 videos at 7 a.m. Fine, I've posted. All those who woke up at 7 or all those who were on their phone at 7 checked out the video. Let's say I have 100 contacts, yes, and I have 40 people who have viewed it as at the 7 a.m. that I posted the video. Fine. Hours go by, now it's 7 p.m. in the evening and I have 50 views. Instead of posting everything you want to post at a particular time, you need to divide them. So if you want to post 2 videos a day, you post one at 7. You need to wait. Every minute people are posting. You see this posted, this posted, this posted, and it climbs up like that. So if you post at 7 and the time is going up, 10 o'clock, 11, you see that your post is going down. People are posting, so yours is going down. So you need to post. If you post at 7 and you want to post another thing again, you need to wait more, and let's say you post around 11. So this time around, your name will be on top again. So you've posted a video at 7, then you post another whatever video or image at 11. So technically your name or your post skips to the top again. I'm sure we all experience this. If you are watching somebody's stats, you can watch like the first 10, then the others you just skip, because it gets boring or it gets annoying, or you might not want to waste your data. So you just watch the first 5 or the first 10, or maybe the first 15, then the rest of them you just be skipping through like that. It happens to all of us. In fact, it's what we actually do. So you just need to make sure that your posts are always on top. If you want to post 5 videos a day, divide them. Post one at 7, one at 10, the other at 3, and the other at maybe 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. And trust me, you get people to be watching. That is the number 1 trick. So yes, these are some of the few things I do to get a whole lot of views on WhatsApp, and it's nothing major, it's nothing really complicated. You just need to know when to post, when not to post, what to post, at what time, at what particular moment. You need to know all these things before. You don't just get up and drop this here and expect people to come and watch. No. Once people know that this is what I'm getting from this guy's status, the person comes to you anytime, they get happy. If you're posting stuff about cooking, they know that, oh, this is what I'm getting from this guy. If you're posting funny memes, if you're posting gospel music, they know. Anything you want to post, just strategically post all of them, and you have the views you want to have. So right now, I wish I could convert all my views to all my WhatsApp views to YouTube views, and small we will make up. So this is what I have for you today. Don't forget to like the video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and above all, most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Yes, thank you very much. My name is Ralph. Take care. Bye bye. Feel so lucky, feel so